In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with examples for 2025. Zapier is an incredible tool that allows you to automate workflows between your favorite apps and services, saving you time and energy on repetitive tasks. Whether you're a small business owner, project manager, or just someone looking to streamline personal tasks, using Zapier can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of it. First, open up your web browser and go to the Zapier website. The URL is zapier.com. Once you've arrived, you'll notice it's a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you automate workflows, agents, and apps. You'll want to become familiar with this homepage, as it serves as the starting point for all your automation journeys. Next, you'll need to log in. If you're already a user, simply click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your details, and just like that, you're in. If you're new to Zapier, you should sign up to start your free trial and explore all the amazing things Zapier can do for you. Once logged in, let's head to the Zapier homepage. This is your command center, where you can see all of your existing Zaps. That's the term Zapier uses for automation workflows. Here you can manage, edit, or create new Zaps, which we'll be focusing on in just a moment. Now, look for the menu option labeled Zaps and click on it. This is where the magic happens. On the Zaps page, click on the Create a Zap button. A Zap consists of a series of steps, starting with a trigger event from one app, followed by one or more actions within another app. Next, let's set up an action for your Zap. Click on Action and think about what you'd like your Zap to accomplish. For instance, if you want to automate a Google Sheet to update every time you receive a new email, you'll need to specify that here. Once you're comfortable with your action, click on Add Steps to further customize your workflow. These steps are crucial as they define the sequence of actions that will be executed automatically. So consider what additional operations might enhance the efficiency of your setup. Now for a practical example, let's add Google Sheets to your Zap. By clicking on Google Sheets, you can integrate it into your workflow. This allows for seamless data collection, updates, and more, giving you the ability to test how your Zap will function in real time. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, it's essential to test your Zap to ensure it performs as expected. Testing will help you fine-tune any settings and confirm that the automation behaves as intended. Remember, the goal is to make your life easier by taking repetitive tasks off your plate. And there you have it. You've now set up a simple Zap using Zapier. You've taken a big step towards automating your digital workflows, cutting down on manual tasks, and improving productivity. By continuously exploring and experimenting, you'll discover countless automation possibilities using Zapier. Happy automating!